Hi my friends, I hope all of you are doing well. Today's activity, we will be learning to make a daily schedule chart. The materials you'll need for this project are a large piece of paper, a ruler, tape, a pencil, some scissors, and some colored pencils. To start, we're going to fold our piece of paper, leaving a little bit of the top edge exposed so that we can write a title.
Next, you're going to measure your paper into 6 equal parts. Mine just happened to be 3 inches per part. And then you're going to draw a line down to the bottom so that you can cut those lines.
Right now, your project should look a little something like this, with 6 flaps going across the entire project. Next, you're going to open all of the flaps on your piece of paper. Now you're going to write your daily schedule. On each flap, you are going to write something that gets done during your day. For example, on my first flap, I'm going to write breakfast, brush teeth, get dressed. On my next flap, I'm going to write circle time. On my next flap, I'm going to be writing indoor work time. On my next flap, I'm going to be writing outdoor work time. On my next flap, I'm going to be writing story time. And on the last flap, I'm going to be writing dinner, brush teeth, pajamas. Now I'm going to close each flap one at a time and trace along the side of it so that I have equal parts. For our next step, we're going to write the title. Now we get to draw our daily schedule. So for breakfast, brush teeth, get dressed, I drew a bowl of cereal and some orange juice, my toothbrush, some clothes. For circle time, because of distant learning, we are doing circle time through Zoom, so I drew a laptop, indoor work, outdoor work. I drew a garden because that's what I like to do, but if you like to play outside for your outside work, that's fine too. Story time. For dinner, I drew or tried to draw a piece of chicken, peas, and potatoes with silverware and a cup of water, my toothbrush again, and some pajamas. Feel free to draw these if you would like. If you're having a hard time, you could print them out and glue them. Our next step is to write done on the outside of the flaps. I did mine in cursive, but you can draw yours however you would like. And our last step is to add pieces of tape on each of our flaps that connect to the space where the title is. So when you have completed that part of your schedule for that day, you can close up your chart. And this is what our final product looks like. I hope all of you liked making your daily schedule. I know for me that routine is super important, and if I don't have a normal scheduled routine, things get a little crazy for me. So having my checklist definitely helps me throughout my day.